Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, it's a general class of English for 6th, 7th and 8th. In this class, we shall learn about how we can speak English well and why we learn English language. As we know, English is an instrument in the hands of students and a teacher. So either it should be a trainer, coach, scientist, teacher. Language is must. Therefore, what is the need that we learn English language? Dear students, it is the language of mathematics, business and calculations. It is an official language of 101 countries. It is a language of social webs and internets. It is a language of medical science and technology. It makes us able to attend international conferences. It is a language of computer science and robotic science. It is a language of mass media and journals. It is a medium of instruction of multiple subjects. Or we can say it is the best communication skill in the world. And step 2, how we can speak English well. To share your thoughts, desires, wishes, suggestions, speeches must. If you want to grow, speak effectively. And lots of us work very hard to learn and teach English, but we lack confidence and practice in it. Therefore, what should we do? We have a best cure for which we can use simplest methodology in our classroom. For example, we can start with very simple sentences like kick the ball, give me your pen, open the door, where's your pen, where's your notebook, bring me a glass of water, close that window, it's a bolt, it's a handle, it's a cant, it's a glass of water. In this way, we shall clear simple sentences to our students. It is a best investment to improve our English language. In addition, we shall ensure topic writing in our students. Dear students, write down 5 lines on butterflies. In a topic writing, we must select 1 or 2 topics in order to able the students write and speak on this topic which we give to them in our classroom. For example, I shall tell you write 5 lines on butterflies. Let me start. Butterflies are God's blessings. Number 1. Number 2. Butterflies are very beautiful insects. Butterflies belong to phylum Arthropoda. Butterflies are multicolored insects. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers. In this way, we shall do topic practice in our classroom. In step 3, we have to be very economical to enhance vocabulary, or we can say we have to add word power in our students. For which, what we have to do? Dear students, we shall maintain a separate notebook for collecting words. We shall write 10 to 20 words per day. So it becomes 6,000 words for a month. In this way, we shall enrich our language with full word power. Yes, And step 4, we have to make group discussions. In a group discussion, dear students, you have to be 3, 4, 5 in a one group, and you shall be given a topic, and you have to discuss on this topic given by teacher to you. And this way you will say everyone a one sentence, two sentences on a given topic, and it's a very effective methodology in order to drill the English language in our classroom. Next step or last step, we can say we have to follow grammatic rules, and we have to start with tenses, all other things, what's needed in grammar. In order to make discipline in English language, we have to follow the strictly grammatic rules. When all these rules shall be followed very strictly, we can speak very effectively. Yes, without language means a soldier without gun, a student without pen, a teacher without pen. That means we have to enhance our English language. It's a need of all to get very advanced in this language. Thanks.